going to make some traditional mac and cheese from scratch. The ingredients we're going to need are 2 cups of water, 3 cups of milk, 8 ounces of cheese, not spoon, and 8 ounces of pasta. We're going to start by turning on the heat on our cauldron and adding the 1.5 cups of milk and 1 cup of water. And now the 1.5 cups of milk. After we let the milk and water combination get hot for a little while, we're going to put our 8 ounces of pasta in. After the pasta is almost done, we need to kill the heat and enter 8 ounces of shredded cheese. And then mix it for a while and cover it with our lid. Okay, after all that, we need to move it a little bit and then it's ready to serve. Oh yeah, look at that. You hear the sound of that? Oh hell yeah. And here's your food, sir.
Thank you.
No problem.
Nice.
Now for this traditional hamburger recipe, we will need some American cheese, some tomato ketchup, some mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, a tomato, paprika, pepper, salt, burger buns, and a burger patty. First, we're going to start by mixing tomato ketchup and real mayo. Here you go. Squirt a good part in there. We need to mix equal parts of each of these. Now, open the mayo, get a spoon, and scoop that in there. No. There we go. After that, we're going to put a tablespoon of some Dijon mustard. We're going to get that in there. And then, we're going to put a sprinkle of some onion powder. And there we go. And some garlic powder. There we go. And now, we mix all these together. Also forgot to say to add some paprika. Just a teaspoon because this can be a very strong spice. Just take that there. Put some of that. There we go. After making the special sauce, we need to cut some tomatoes. I'm just going to cut a little slice because I don't like it that much. During all that, we need to defrost our patty for around 15 minutes to 30 minutes on room temperature water, or you can leave it on the fridge from 24 to 48 hours to a better experience. Then, when we put the patty on the pan, you need to hit it with some salt and some freshly ground pepper, all to your taste. We see a little bit of browning on the borders, we need to flip the burger. After we flip it, again, we need to hit it with some salt, some pepper, and put an American cheese on top of it. Then, when the burger's almost done, we need to toast our buns in a skillet with some butter. For the final construction, right when the burger's done, we need to build our burger. First, some special sauce. Spread it out a bit. There we go. Now, we need our burger. Right when it's ready. There it is. And finally, our tomatoes. Here we go. Get that on there. And there we go. Additionally, if you would like to put on some lettuce on there, you can go ahead of the cross section. Beautiful. And here, sir, is your main course.
Thank you.
Please enjoy.
Perfect.
Thank you, sir.